still on the road, and I don't know what bothering them. They are not following, and why they are rushing. This doesn't make any sense. Even to drive on a high speed or as constant speed according to the limit of the roads, you will reach to your destination same time. It will not make a big difference. It will be less when you are entered to the city. It's crowded, signals, so you are equally same timings. So anyway, I will come back to my topic. Actually, it comes in my mind suddenly that I oftenly used to go Abu Dhabi, and frequently, if you can say it's since last, or you can say since 2004 onwards, 4, 5 onwards, and then there was a time I used to go Abu Dhabi twice in a week. So if you are traveling oftenly, also for those particular people, I'm not sure they are aware about this thing which I'm going to tell you right now, especially the area. In fact, the area is Ajban. It's I believe it, I'm not sure, before Shahama or after Shahama, somewhere, but I'm going after a long time now. Right now there's a gap. So the thing is that I never noticed until one day I was traveling with my ex-boss, and I was the one driving my car, and he was beside me, and when we reached to that destination point, so my boss, he was actually on the phone, I remember very well, and just he told me like this. I didn't get it actually. So once he finished his call, and he told me, "Did you hear that weird sound?" I said, "No, honestly no." So then I asked him what kind of this was. He told me, regardless whatever the speed on this road, regardless whatever the car you have it, you are driving, this kind of weird sound will definitely, you will hear it. I said, really? I didn't often notice that, because of mostly that time, I was turning on my music loud, and I'm just driving whenever I'm alone, so most probably that I never noticed it. So then he told me, then we are coming back to the same road, on the same spot, on the opposite side, the same sound will come. I said, okay. So I just remembered my mind. So we finished off our work in Abu Dhabi, and we are coming back. So I was concentrating on that particular place. Then we passed by, just we was entering to the Ajban. So there is some weird sounds. I cannot describe it right now. When I heard that first time. Okay. So the time passed, and it's been a while between this our conversation, and then next time I was coming, I was driving my car actually same as routine, and when I reached to, and my music was not so loud, like reasonable voice only. So I just noticed I heard Adhan. I immediately turn off the music, but when I look at the time, it was morning 11 o'clock, 11 I'm sure, 11:10 or something. Then I'm thinking myself, what, this is not the prayer time, so why Adhan is this time? Then I notice I'm in the same area, in Ajban area. Oh my god. We oftenly, I belongs to Pakistan, and we used to travel by train, buses. In those particularly old times, there was no aircon in the bus or in a train, so I oftenly experienced that when you are in constant speed, you are moving, and somewhere there is masjid, and there is particularly Adhan time, and you are crossing that masjid, so the echo of the Adhan was same exactly resemblance to me, in particularly in that area when I was passing by. Oh my god! Then it's my still now also my hair, all the body, is like hair just comes up. No, this is Adhan, really exactly Adhan. So then I decided myself, when I will come back, I will again notice. I felt the same. Then I kept it in my mind. I told my boss also. I said, "Him, this looks like Adhan." He said, "No, no, it's not Adhan." I told him, "Sir, this is Adhan." But he didn't believe me. He told me, "No, no, this is something different, echo or something." Then another time I was coming with my one of the colleague, and we passed by the same. So I asked my colleague. My colleague also says the same. Yes, this is Adhan. This is resemblance to the Adhan. So I don't know what are the consequences. I don't know. I am the one, or that's why I just remember of all these years. Today I'm making this particularly vlog on that particularly topic. That am I right? Am I wrong? I don't know. So I hope this video will be viral on my YouTube channel and the people around Abu Dhabi, and in fact all Emirates who are frequently traveling to this particular road. What's their opinion or comments? So I want below their comments what it could be. But in any way, there is certain weird sound, regardless what speed you are driving, what car you are driving, or what car you are in. Sorry. So the echo of that sound, which as far as me is concerned, it's literally Adhan. So I don't know. I'm not much into that deep expertise in this kind of things, that what may it could be. But what I analysis, it could be nearby that masjid in old time, in a history, and now there is a highway. It could be demolished, but there are some invisible power. They are still calling a prayer in Islam, which we call Adhan. So I hope you guys will like this particularly vlog. I'm still didn't reach that destination, so I started this vlog earlier. So I will try to focus this camera on the road, and try if this GoPro 5 has a capability of catching that particular sound. I wish. So let's figure it out. So I'm going to attach it along with my. So I am actually passing through that particular area which I had mentioned earlier. This is in between Kizat and Ajban. Starting off that particularly eco you are hearing, and after this one, and then it will keep continue. I did not actually notice exactly